In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a side view mirror assembly on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the front doors. Let's get started. We're going to want to go ahead and locate our front door panel and our door handle. As you can see up here, there's a trim panel. I'll be removing this using an angled pick. There's a slot right here where you can pry. Remove it and set it aside. Now you can locate the 1.7mm bolt. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate my window switches and the storage compartment adjacent to them. There's another trim panel that I'll be removing with my angled pick. So insert it in the corner and pull up. Now you'll find two more 7mm bolts. I'm going to remove those now. Set these aside. And our door panel is ready to come off. Simply just pry along all the corners and pop off the clips. Now that the door panel is separated from the door, I'm going to locate my door handle cable and the clip holding it. I'm going to push down on the tab, pull it back. I'm going to pull the cable away from the handle. Set it aside. Now I'm going to locate my two electrical connectors. As you can see, they have red tabs. Just pull these up. You'll hear that click and remove them. There's another tab right here. Just push it down and pull out. Inspect for any corrosion and damage. I'm going to repeat with this one. Pull the tab out, push down and pull. Now we can set the door panel aside. Now I'm going to locate my mirror bezel. This simply comes off, you just pry it out. Set it aside for now like that. Now that my bezel is set to the side, I'm going to locate the electrical connector and the tab on top. I'm going to push down the tab and pull out. Again, inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate the three 10mm bolts holding my mirror assembly down. For the last bolt, keep a hand on the mirror assembly so it does not fall out. Set these aside. Now we go ahead and remove the mirror. There it is. Now to install our mirror. On the mirror assembly, you'll look at this tab. You're going to want to slide this under this rubber molding. So just tilt up, slide it under. Now we can push it in. Now while holding my mirror assembly, I'm going to go ahead and hand thread on my three 10mm bolts. I'm going to remove my hand and finish up the others. Now I'm just going to snug these down for now. Now we're going to go ahead and torque these to 80 inch-pounds. Let's go ahead and reconnect our electrical connector. Just push in until you hear an audible click. Make sure it's secure. Now to resecure my door bezel. Run the plastic along the whole door, make sure it's flush. Now we're going to push down and resecure this clip. Again, make sure it's all secure. Now for our door panel. I'm going to grab my door handle cable, secure it in the door handle. I'm going to pull on the cable and align the tab. So once that's aligned, I'm just going to push in. Once it's aligned, push in. Make sure you hear that click and check that it's secure. Now for our harness connections. Push in and push the red tab down. Same with the other one. Now align the clips on the door handle with the door and these top clips as well, and push in. As you can see, our top clips are secure. Now we're going to move along to the bottom clips. And that looks good. Now that my door panel is firmly in place, I'm going to secure the two 7mm bolts for the trim panel. Just snug them down. Now reinstall the cover. Make sure this piece angles out and push it. Now we're going to move along up to the handle for our last 7mm bolt. Just make sure it's snug. Now we're going to reinstall our cover. This cutout points towards the back. I'm going to test our mirror. Make sure it functions as intended. Left, right, up, and down. And that looks good. And that completes our install.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.